Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're going to take a quick look here at the all-new 2025 Avenir 17RB travel trailer here. This is a small, lightweight couples coach. We're going to take a few minutes here, run you through the inside and outside of the RV, kind of show you what this thing is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the new 2025 Avenir 17RB travel trailer here. As you see it on the floor plan that was up a few seconds ago, this is kind of a little front bedroom, rear bathroom couples coach right here. So let's get started back here in the back. We'll spin through this thing and then also head outside and check that out as well for you. Back here in the back, again, bathroom area. So over here on the left, you are going to have a very large hanging closet or storage cabinet. There's some shelf space down below as well. So you can cram a lot of goodies in here. You're going to have a foot flush toilet. And then over on the side over here, you have a small tub. So if you do have a little kid or something like that, you could definitely give them a bath in here. Little shower head up there. You also have a little roof vent right there as well. Stepping back out here, you're going to have your Everchill 12-volt fridge. It's 3.3 cubic feet. It's got a small little freezer up top, but it is a 12-volt powered refrigerator. There's also the Greystone microwave up above. You're going to have another roof vent with a fan in it right up here. You have some overhead cabinet space up here as well. Pretty good sized window behind your sink area right there. That window does open. You have a high-rise sprayer faucet system on your sink there. 2-burner propane stovetop. You have a small pull-out drawer down below there for some silverware and stuff. And you're going to have the electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater to heat the RV. On the side over here, you're going to have electric outlet and your monitor panel for your holding tanks, along with the water pump switch and also the on switch for the 7-gallon electric water heater. You have a wall mount AC system on here. You're going to also have another window over there that will open with a pull down pleated shade on that one. Your dinette area over here, you can sit a couple adults pretty comfortably, or maybe 4 small kids. Basically this will go down and make into a bed. So if you do have that extra child or guest that might come with you, that's a smaller guest, you could definitely fit them on here. If it's somebody real tall, it's going to be very uncomfortable, but I guess they could try to scrunch up in there. You're going to have the electric box with the breakers and fuses down below, and also the propane leak detector. You got a decent amount of shelf space up here. There's an electric outlet up there as well, and then you also have a little cabinet over there on the side. The window there does open, and again, a pleated shade on that one. On the side of the cabinet, you got a couple light switches and the power awning button as well. Traditional RV entry door and screen door there. Over on the wall over there, you're going to have a big sticker that tells you that there's a mount backer right there. So if you want to mount your TV up there, you can. Just remember, don't get too long a screw. This wall is roughly about 2 inches thick. So just be real careful what you're screwing through there so you don't go all the way through the outside. There's an electric outlet and a cable outlet up there as well, because it does have wiring for cable on the side. You got your bed across the front area right here, and a large shelf across the front area as well, so you could maybe put your clothes and different little knick-knacky stuff up there. All vinyl floor throughout the RV. But overall, this is a pretty roomy, smaller feeling bunkhouse, or I'm sorry, couples travel trailer here, you know, for an affordable price. We'll put some more information down below for you in the description and all these specs and stuff like that. Now be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. And if you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. We're gonna head on to the outside real quick. I wanna show you around the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the new 2025 Avenir 17RB travel trailer by Cruiser RV here. We're gonna start here on the door side, kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, we have a power awning here with an LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV. It has adjustable arms for tilting, manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. You are also going to have a pretty good sized pass-through storage area here across the front. And this is underneath the bed you've seen when we were inside. There's also a Blue Ox weight distribution hitch sitting right here. That is a nice aftermarket feature that this customer is going with. Talk with your salesperson about something like that. You have a black flip up baggage door here that connects to a magnetic holder. Down below right here, you're gonna have one of your 4 heavy duty scissor stabilizer jacks. You have that black entry exit door right there, which does have the screen door. You have a single entry step to get you in and out. There's a little advertisement sticker right there that talks about the 3-year limited structural warranty. Doesn't sound like a lot, however, it actually is a lot in the RV world because a lot of brands are just 1-year warranty. This right here has a single axle. It is steel wheel, drum brake, easy lube hub. One of the other things that's a little more unique to the metal siding is this is what they refer to as a tough coat metal instead of the traditional Yoder metal that you've been seeing for a long time on RVs. So it has a little bit different look and feel to the outside of it. You do have, again, deep tint safety glass windows instead of just clear glass. Traditional flat back rear end here. It has your standard 4-inch square tube bumper down there. Again, rear scissor stabilizer jacks. You are prepped in the top center right there for the Furrion rear observation camera. That is a nice safety feature to consider adding aftermarket to the RV. It allows you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into your campsite. Very nice. Up here in the top right corner, it has prepping for that Lippert portable stow and go ladder. That is an aftermarket telescoping ladder you can buy. It hooks on right there and basically allows you to get up and down, on and off your roof safely. And then you just drop it down, telescope it right into your storage compartment. You're gonna have the dump area right down here for your black and gray tank. Right here, you're gonna have a 7-gallon electric water heater located right there. You have city water inlet. You have your black tank flush. You have your cable inlet, in case you go to a campground that has cable TV. You have a pull-out 30-amp electric cord right here. And you also have your gravity fill fresh water tank. Now, just down right there by the axle is the freshwater tank drain. Right up there is the small air conditioner that you've seen when we were inside. The other side here of the storage compartment, again, pass-through storage area right here. You're gonna have some real important informational stickers right here. So let's start here with this one. We have our production date sticker. Tells us this RV was built 8/15 of 2024. This has a gross vehicle weight of 3,910 pounds. Did not exceed that number. That's axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. You have your tire size here, 205/75 R14 D range tires. Very important to keep up with your tire pressure on these things. Says it's supposed to be at about 65 PSI. So make sure, again, you keep up with that when traveling down the road. You do have a pretty nice rounded front end. So it is a little bit of aerodynamics going on here. It's not your traditional flat front. It has a smooth, glossy metal to the front, so a little different metal on the front than on the side and back. You have the lower diamond plate right here as well. You have a 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman wiring plug, breakaway cable, room for 1 or possibly 2 batteries depending on the size of the battery you want to go with. And you also have a 20-pound propane tank there as well. Now real quick, here's just a quick idea what the roof looks like up there. You can see things up there as far as like your plumbing stack vents and your roof vents and stuff. Very important to get up on your roof from time to time and inspect your seams and seals and stuff to make sure that everything is nice and tidy up here. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick video on the new Avenir 17RB. As always, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. And as always, if you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks again.